It's a girl. On May the 2nd, 2015, Prince William and his wife Catherine announced the birth of their second child. The Queen has been the central figure of Britain's monarchy for more than 6 decades. Head of state of the United Kingdom and 15 Commonwealth nations, she married Prince Philip, the Duke of Edinburgh, in 1947. The couple has 4 children, 8 grandchildren and 5 great-grandchildren. Their eldest son, Charles, the Prince of Wales, is heir apparent to the throne. He married Camilla, the Duchess of Cornwall, in 2005, nearly 9 years after his marriage to the late Diana, Princess of Wales, was dissolved. Charles and Diana had 2 children, William and Harry, christened Henry. Prince William, officially known as the Duke of Cambridge, married his university sweetheart, Catherine Middleton, the Duchess of Cambridge, in 2011. In July 2013, the couple became parents when their son, George, the Prince of Cambridge, was born. Their new baby daughter is in direct line to the throne, after Princes Charles, William and George.